go ahead and sip my drink. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm coming to you today with this gorgeous smoky eye makeup tutorial, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do a smoky eye with just 2 easy steps. Like, this is the easiest way that you could do a smoky eye. So without further ado, let's get straight into this makeup video. Okay guys, jumping straight into this video, I've already put this moisturizer. I got this is the CeraVe facial moisturizer. This is like just a little sample. I got this from my dermatologist, and I put just some regular Carmex on my lips, and I'm about to get ready to prime the face with the NYX Angel Veil primer. Okay, y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna set my face with powder using the Fit Me Loose setting powder in the shade Deep. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and start in with brows. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate Mousse. They be making the color purple? Not they got Holly in the color purple with Fantasia? I'm about to watch that. See if they do that justice. I love me the color purple. That movie made me cry at the end because, oh my God, Mr. I hated Mr. But the original is a classic. Go ahead and clean up the brows with my 2 shades from L.A Girl. You already know Toffe, Beautifully Bronzed. Those are the 2 shades that I used, and I'm going to clean up my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to be prepping my eyes for eyeshadow. So I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 320 Porcelain. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create your okay, I already know now that we blend that out, I'm going in with this messy Airspun powder. Even though it's messy, it's still good to set my under eyes, so I'm going to be taking some of that. Okay, now we're going back in with the Morphe James Charles palette. And I know it looks a mess, but that's from that Airspun powder, like it got everywhere. But Morphe James Charles palette, and like the video say, we are doing a smoky eyeshadow, a black smoky eyeshadow look, but you're not gonna take the black and just put it all over your eye. That's not what we're doing here today. So to start it off, to build it up, we're gonna go in with a brown shade. Let me turn this around. But this brown shade right here, I might go in with these 2 brown shades to start off with my crease, but I might start off with this one and then darken it up with this and then go in with the black, like gradually. You know, when you're doing a smoky eye with black, you want to gradually get there, not just slap it on. I'm starting to understand now, like, before you start putting stuff on your eye, actually swatch it if you're not sure what the color is. I think I'm probably colorblind, so I be thinking stuff is a certain color, then when I put it on my eye, I realize that ain't what the color I was going for, and then I done messed up. So with that being said, I know a good brown that can start this off, and this is the brown that everybody be using. Okay, the Zulu palette by Juvia. The brown in here is like a fave by everybody, but You already know it's this brown right here. So I'm going to take that and start going in my crease. Okay, now that we got that transition shade in, I'm gonna go in with a more detailed brush, and I'm gonna go back into that James Charles palette, and I'm actually gonna go in and use this shade right here, like in my actual crease, to try to deepen it up before we go in with the black. And I'm just switching back and forth into brushes because sometimes when you're blending, you might lose one color. Okay, now I think it's actually blended. So the key when you're doing an actual smoky eye with black, I know some people do it with the brown. Sometimes black eyeshadows, when you use them by themselves, by the end of the night they turn gray, or it might not have that matte black last longing effect. So I like to go in with a gel liner. But this is the Maybelline New York Eye Studio in the shade Blackest Black. I think it is a gel liner, y'all, but this is how the packaging looks. And when you open up, it's gel. Oh, I hope it hasn't dried out. I haven't really used this in years, but it's actually a gel liner. That's a flop, so it didn't work. So here's what we're gonna do, and this is something that I'm just gonna do on the spot because I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is gonna take my eyeliner right here, and let me have my black. Here's the thing, I'm gonna do one eye at a time so I don't mess up. When you use that gel, even if you gel, but now we're doing a liquid liner, once you blend that out, you want to go ahead and set that immediately with a black. So we're going to set it with this black right here. Once I'm done, I'm just showing y'all the color. That's from the James Charles palette, but what I'm going to do is just put that over my eye and blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna actually take that black eyeshadow and set that and blend. And I'm gonna go back in with that other shade to blend out the edges, diffuse the edges. And that's how you get it to stay black with a smoky eye. That didn't turn out as bad as I thought. Okay. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and come back. Quick drink break. Okay, we're back. Both of the eyes are done. Let's take a little celebratory drink because I was really scared for this smoky eye. You can see with the smoky eye, you want to transition. You don't just put the black all over your eye, but yeah, so now we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna be using my Chanel foundation. I really don't know how to pronounce all of that, but that's what I'm gonna be taking as my foundation shade. Okay, and before we blend it out, I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe setting spray, not foundation. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. Y'all see my little P's and Q's. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade D. Okay, now I'm going in with the Tarte Shade Take Concealer in the shade Medium Tan to give me that extra pop underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 4 to contour. While I'm blending out my contour and highlighting all that, real talk, I'm really trying to be more consistent on YouTube. Not just for me, but for you guys, because I just feel like if I was subscribing to somebody and they were very inconsistent, it would make me unsubscribe. So I just know I have to tell myself that I need to get on my Zoom every day at 10 and work at this, because I really enjoy doing makeup. This is a career path that I want to take, being an influencer, doing makeup. Coming to my channel, I'm also going to be doing like fashion hauls, not the regular way. I'm going to put my own spin to it, so stay tuned for that. And vlogs, and just showing y'all my life, because I'm really a person who just loves to do creative things, you know. I currently work a 9 to 5, but I just don't really see that as being my long-term career. I really enjoy doing makeup and being creative, and also not only being creative, but just model. I also model and take pictures. If you go to my Instagram page, because you should be following me, you can see like some of my, my photos that I've done. So like, that's just the world that I'm tapping into, and I just have to realize like that does not come overnight, especially for me to see the money. So I just need to start doing it because I love it and the money will come. So I need to get on my Zoom every day at 10 and post it. So I'm going to be more consistent with y'all. The devil has really been busy, because I was really supposed to been posting earlier this week. But when I tried to, I guess I messed up my my flash drive by not ejecting it correctly. I would always take it out. So when I was supposed to post it, my flash drive was over here acting like it was ejecting itself, and I never took it out of the computer. So I had to run to the store and get another flash drive, and ended up posting my first video back like days later. And I'm like, oh my god, I just messed up my content schedule. And I was honestly gonna wait till next week to post my content, because I was like, I don't want to post in the middle of the week. Like, I want to post throughout the week so it look consistent. But you just gotta do it, y'all. Like, don't wait to be like, oh, this is not the right time. Just post yourself.
Every morning you gotta get on your Zoom at 10.
I am gonna be very consistent with y'all. I have graduated college. Yes, if you haven't checked that out, check my story dump. I'm gonna be posting a story dump soon. By the time y'all see this video, I'm already been on post a story dump. But check out my Instagram. Yes, see my graphics. My graphics is fire. I just graduated from Florida State University. So now that I'm out of college, because that really like took a lot out of me, I'm really gonna be consistent. Okay, now I'm about to be setting my under eye, my highlight, my contour. You already know the Dermablend setting powder. I'm like really running low, trying to get a lot of it, but this is in the shade Warm Chiffon. Now I'm going to be taking the Juvia Place Bronze Duo in the shade Dark. Yes, I switched back over. Okay, now we're about to dust off all that powder away. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder, shade 220. It's like sticking the same powder but in the shade 360 to wipe off the excess dust and just to set the rest of my face. Juvia's Place Blush Duo in the shade Volume 1, and I'm going to be taking that orange shade. Okay, we're going to put on lashes and do the under eyes. So I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I'm going to be prepping my eyelids, my eyelashes, and while that is prepping, I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye. Taking the L.A Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Matte Black. Okay, and now we did that, I'm gonna go in with like this like pointed little brush, and I'm gonna go in with that brown shade that we used just to like add definition to the underneath of that eye. Now I'm going to use mascara to coat my bottom lashes. Before I do that, actually, I'm going to spray my face. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the NK eyeliner pencil in the shade dark brown, but I use this as a lip liner. Okay, now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Loyalist. Okay, and then I'm going to take the shade Fortune Cookie. And then of course I'm going to be taking the Hair Store lip gloss and putting that all over the whole lip. And lastly, I'm going to be using a new highlighter, not the Fenty Beauty Candy Cognac, what I always use, but I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Topaz. Now this is a gleam, like this is the real deal. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, this tutorial on this smoky eyeshadow makeup look. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content and videos like this. I love you all, and thank you for watching my videos and supporting me, and I can't wait to see you the next time. Goodbye.